Hi, I'm Prakhar Gupta and welcome to my kitchen. I'm passionate about bringing exotic flavors and an extra touch of health into everyday cooking. You can find my recipes and more at prakharskitchen.com. Today we're gonna make a Moroccan-inspired spice mix called Ras El Hanout. Ras El Hanout is what Indian garam masala is. Some people make it up to 30 spice mixes, but today we're gonna do that. But in the end, we have a great spice mix. So let's start with the recipe. For this, we need 8 to 10 of cardamom, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 2 teaspoon of jeera, cumin seeds, 8 to 10 black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 1 teaspoon saffron, around 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and a small piece of star anise. So now the most important step is to roast all the spices. What I have done is I have put all the spices one by one in their order, so they are at the end they all are cooked perfectly. But if you are a beginner, I would not recommend you this trick because you might end burning your spices. So you should go one by one. So first we will start by adding the cinnamon stick. Cinnamon needs about 10 to 15 seconds of roasting before adding the next element. The next element would be cardamom. This again and star anise. These again would be requiring 10 more seconds. You'll start seeing a light color on them, and then you add black peppercorns. They need to be around 10 seconds more before you add coriander seeds. Keep stirring in between so that they don't get burned. Now add jeera or cumin seeds. Mix well. And in the end we will add our beloved saffron. You don't want to cook saffron a lot because they might lose their flavors and aromas eventually. So as soon as you add saffron, after 2 or 3 seconds, just take them out on a plate, immediately cool them down. Now you need to put all the ingredients into blender. You need to make sure they are cool, otherwise they might burn you. Then we'll add turmeric and a ginger powder. Now blend them to a very fine powder. And here you have your Ras El Hanout Spice. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Bye bye.